must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me say me work for everything me get. Work for put in not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up plan for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, my drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down Obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money, run a program. No, in my face too much doors, so make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man.
Pinky, be careful on the skates.
Yes, I will be, because this place is very rocky.
I hope you're doing well in school.
Of course, I can ask that.
Okay, good. And the boyfriend thing is not for you right now.
Excuse you? First of all, you don't get to come and tell me anything, because I heard about you and that ghetto boy.
Pinky, I know it's your mom told you about this enough.
Of course, that's how it is.
Your mom is a blasted parrot. You're a child, you should stay in your place.
Oh, you're really talking about staying in place? Your place is uptown and you went downtown? Come on.
Listen, you're a child and I'm not about to have this conversation with you. Let's go.
Okay. Hello, mommy.
Hello, Pinky?
Yeah, I need to speak to you like right now, because I think Monique is losing it. I was literally skating just now. All of a sudden I saw her. She come and talk about, oh, school is good, everything. So I say, yeah, sure, because why not? It's me. Anyways, I want Pinky. So me I talk to her with a dear chill. She was like, oh, the boys situation, telling me how I must not be focusing on any boys right now, but she's the one literally dating the ghetto boy. I really don't understand this woman.
But Monique, out of order.
Mommy, come on, where are you? I need you to come and pick me up like right now.
Okay, yeah, I'm coming for you now, alright?
You got big money, you know? Them dream of that. House on the hill. Now have no neighbor, some man feel it.
Hi, Auntie.
This one to you.
Hi, Auntie.
Miss Monique, I don't want you to talk to my child in that manner again, you hear me?
What are you talking about, Auntie?
I talk to my child and I tell her whatever I want to tell her. First of all, you shouldn't be talking to that dirty ghetto boy.
But this is my business, and if I was a fly in your mouth like a parrot, I wouldn't have to disrespect your child and put her in her place.
This conversation is over. And do not talk to my child in that way again. I'm dead serious.
Just drop me off down the road because I don't know why I didn't drive my own car.
Whatever. Cockafat.
Mommy, see what I'm talking about? Her attitude is so dirty.
Don't worry, my child. I'm going to fix our business for her.
Hello?
Hi Monique,
Hey Tyson, how are you?
not doing bad. I'm here thinking about you. How is your day going?
Not so good.
What's been happening?
Me and my aunt, we had a little argument. Me and her daughter had an argument as well. So I'm just kind of feeling distraught.
My God, your auntie a terrorist. You know, she not come off your case.
Not while I'm talking to you.
Well, I don't want you to stop talking to me, you know, so she have to go stay up on your case.
I know.
Yes, Monique, I really do like you a lot. I understand say you go through a lot because I mean, see me, the situation there with my ex-girl, I tell you, I never know especially crazy, but me and that girl there live a long time, more than a year. See me, so it's kind of surprising, you know, she just pop up at that picture and start me. See me, so I don't want you to pay that no mind.
Okay, Tyson, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt.
You know, if you say it's a cup full, Monique, man, your heart for angry. You see me? So, I'm going to call you later, alright?
Alright then, Tyson, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, baby, have a wonderful night.
Same to you, my dear.
Yo, can't remember that. I'm sick of that something here, man.
Roger Tosh. New
Bam!
beginning. Whoa.
Yo, Babs! Babs, how is man?
Yes. You change your mind.
Change my mind, no. I have to come talk to you.
Boa.
Babs, on a serious level, when I just meet you, you never so crazy, you know? You get out of hand now. See me? Me attack for 1 ear and hand. See me? I try with you. Just give me a break now, please. You see me? I move on, I find somebody I like. A long time you left, you know?
That will never happen.
Babs, stop me. You know, I'm lose the girl, I'm a dream.
So me are your nightmare?
Obviously.
So this I really come to talk about?
Babs, I'm understanding, no Jesus.
That will never happen. Tyson left me hard.
Babs, please, man. You know what? It's not gonna be.
So lady, what we are going to know?
We are going to set him up.
Oh.
You don't know how to set up a man. You are going to seduce him. You are going to find a way to get him in your palm. Whether you are going to put something in him drink or what. I'm going to want you to do that because I forget this. Video it, you know, that we can show the one Monique. So the boy, the little ghetto boy, I don't know, body.
You know, feeling hard. Easy 1, 2, 3 that. So the money part I gotta go come and do that for free.
Money is no problem when it come to me.
Oh.
Hey, don't let me down right now.
Lady, I want you. Remember me name Barbs.
Really need to talk to that woman when she come out that place, you know. Son, we are gone. We need to link up, you know. Cause we need to talk. Yeah, me and you meet up later, yeah? Yeah, we need to link up later.
How we are talking on the phone?
Business matter, man. Babe, me need to talk to you, you know. Cause me know you stay.
Oh, me stay.
Me know you stay, me know you not give up on nothing. But you see that thing out with my son, why you fig leave it alone.
Leave it alone?
Yeah.
Oh, but you want your son come mash up my niece life? That never will happen.
You hear me say? Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
You like you want elbow loose na this. And then me not leave it alone. Why you can't step her?
You know who me is. You are my wife. Nah, do you nothing, but you can't hurt my son.
Okay. So wait, you put your son over me. Argument done. Okay? You put your son over me.
This a one bag of worries, one bag of drama.
Tell Ella me now, come on. Turn up the sound, make you light chip up. Girl, wine for me have a kind for you. Any money in a pocket, but my light my stuff. Roll a split for light it up. Line a lead line for cash. Shake up your bumper, girl, ice it up. Let me look at honey in the sky for you. Let me the body live your body for you.
Meet up my father.
In your body,
You know, you know.
then he signed way up send for up. That is spring sense to go. Party like me now bed for go. Set me free and let me go. I wine pan a gal and sweat for run. Can't make life get me down. Can't make life get me down. Yeah, yeah. Can't make life get me down. Yeah, yeah. I don't know what tomorrow may bring. Living my life tonight. Living my life.
What? I can't hear it.
Loving the vibe.
Father step, you know?
Yeah.
Bad Indian, you know?
Yes, bad Indian.
Cool. So, how you say you want to talk to me about now?
Yes, keep good.
Yeah, man, I'm a brother this now.
We can't talk this.
So,
I'll
go
go
for
for this.
Alright, come in, man. Come in, man. Where you say no, my father?
You have to be careful of my wife, you know. She's a dangerous woman. So you know what? Leave Monique alone.
Leave Monica.
Yeah, leave Monique alone.
Father, hear me now? I'm not afraid of no woman, you know. I'm not afraid of no man.
Yeah?
Step on your name, though. What your name?
Yeah, stepper.
I'm your son.
Yeah.
Listen to me, I say Monique. Can't leave Monica alone.
Alright.
Weak. Monica, my weakness.
Son, leave Monique alone. You see my wife? She's a dangerous woman. She's deadly. I tell you.
What's this now? Your wife deadly. Yeah, my father, I'm not respect him. I'm not left Monique. Bad Indian. Father quite well know who my baby brother. I'm not left Monique. When you were going to my father, I'm glad you called me for that talk with you. You see me?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, man. I must more respect.
Alright.
Respect, yeah, you see me?
Alright.
So I be my way I drive. And if bring come with me, I'm bad Indian. Drive it out. No. I know now. See me? Tell the wife to behave for herself.
Alright.
I'm only thinking there.
Alright.
Respect to my father.
Yes.
Big up yourself. You hear that? We're going to lick
I
up.
said no.
Bad Indian. Father come like you lick up the med, man.
Yeah, tell everyone.
I'm for left the cat. You see your cat here? Mad, mad. I'm only my man to go boodoof, back. Mad, man. No bad this. Uptown.
Yeah, tell her.
Roger Tash Production. New beginning. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody who lives down your lane? You don't have to worry, baby, I will play your game. It's a beautiful thing when you love someone and someone loves you back. A matter of fact, you will never look back. Never look. You will always be the one in my memories. Those guys will spit you out like a hot cup of tea. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care.
Yeah. It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. Rain the fall, but one man won't stop, you know. Claim your blessing now.
Yeah, my father, I tell you, say, I'm glad to link up with you and start talk again and meet up, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, women don't understand.
Yeah.
Oh, me have such a rich father, and I forgot to all them sufferation in life.
You know my wife's there. You're just woman. And your mother, she blocked me out of your life.
Yeah, but even if my mother block you out of my life, as a father, you should reach out to my man.
Yeah, we have to reason some more on it.
But what's my father, man? You mean? That you have your back of my life. She say a big beam my drive, you know.
Yeah.
And I look at pro box me a drive as a son. You know, say I have to step up the thing.
Yeah, don't watch nothing, man.
You have to get a big beam as well.
Yeah.
And a Benz, you know. But like how they are, so we go walk on the plaza and get some food, please, and my father and talk and read some more. You see me?
Alright.
Uno man.
So I have something to tell you, girl. I met a guy, but the thing is, he's from the ghetto.
Ghetto?
Yeah, his name is Tyson, and I am head over heels for this guy.
Have to be careful about these ghetto guys, you know, because they're wild.
Girl, but men in general are wild.
But them ghetto boy, the body sweet.
Fiona, when did you get so rude?
Rude long time.
Really? You remember my Aunt Radical?
Yeah.
Girl, she's giving me a hard time.
That woman never want to talk to nobody yet.
I know, right?
She's still watching your front door.
Yes, girl. So what have you been doing for yourself?
I've been trying out the social media thing. You know?
Young father. Yeah. My good day still, isn't it?
Yes.
So we are link up here? Alright.
Influencer, yes.
But you're getting there.
We're doing behind the scenes.
Oh, okay. Well, on my end, I am kind of doing this content creating thing. It's going well. I have a lot of views on my TikTok page.
Monique,
Hi, Uncle Stefan, what's up?
not much, baby.
How are you?
Not too bad.
Okay, this is my friend Fiona. Fiona, this is
Hi,
my
Fiona.
Uncle Stefan.
Hi.
Hi.
The big man and I see.
Better behave yourself, that's my aunt husband, and you know how she
Stop
is.
it.
Uncle!
Don't block the traffic. You know me and Tyson there not too long, just leave.
Really?
All I'm talk about is money. Me don't know what you do to me, boy.
I don't know what I did to him.
Girl, you forgot to take all the money from your auntie, you know.
Girl, behave yourself. Uncle, we're going to leave.
Money, mine, you know. You see your friend look like she want to talk to me.
You mine. I didn't know my uncle was such a dirty man.
That's a tall glass of wine.
Fiona, he's married.
Sure.
Must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for putting up everything to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket. I go for my one coming up, done for poor. Just a right.